Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone alarm sound is too low and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on sound and haptics. Now from here the first and foremost step is all about make sure that you set this to maximum over here like this. So if for some reasons if it has been decreased over here like this, or is set into the lowest over here like this, then you will be having the trouble. So just make sure that you set this to maximum, right? And once you set this up, you have to also make sure that change width buttons might be accidentally turn it on or turn it off as well. So if you turn on this, what happens is if you're playing any kind of music in the background, you have to keep in mind that when you can change with these two buttons over here. If any kind of song is being played in the background, when you try to decrease or increase this, you're accidentally reducing the media volume, not the ringtone volume here. So just keep in mind, even if you turn it on, when you increase this volume over here or decrease, you have to just come and cross check whether you set this to the maximum or the dedicated value that you need. Once you set this up, you just need to go back. After trying with this, you have to just scroll it down a little bit and navigate with the Face ID and passcode. Now from here, you have to give the passcode. Now what you need to do is just scroll it down a little bit, and over here you can see we have something called attention aware features. If it is turned on, you have to turn off this as well, right? And after trying with this, there is something that I wanted to give you, that if you are looking for an absolute kind of an alarm sound that's going to wake you up all the time when it gets ringed up, so what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the clock. Now from here, let me randomly set this up once I demonstrating with that. So let me tap on this. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to go to the sound over here. Now what you need to do is you have to set this one that is really appreciated one. It's making a lot of noise and so huge kind of a noise that's going to make. You have to scroll it down and navigate to the classic. Now from here, you have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the digital. So let me tap on it and I'll show you what is the sound. Now as you can see, this is how it sounds. It's really annoying and all those things, but even though it will definitely wake you up, so you'll not miss any kind of an important kind of thing, so you can go to the offices or all in time. So I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.